It is my pleasure to showcase one of Pester Pack Automation's pharma liquid solutions. Here we see a wide view of the three main stations of the pharma liquid solution without glass-to-glass contact. This includes tray forming, insertion of divider, tray loading, and lid closing and taping areas. To ensure no glass-to-glass contact during storage and transport, an Acrolux divider is placed inside of each tray using mechanical guides to ensure proper placement. Next, we see the robotic racetrack capable of handling a handoff of up to 400 vials per minute. The racetrack enables single handling of each vial with zero glass-to-glass contact. It transports vials safely and securely into position ready for handoff to the tray loading robots. Filled trays leave the loading station and are verified via overhead camera for completeness, then upstacked and ready for closing. A Kuko robot picks the lid flats from the lid magazine, and they are molded upon handoff to a second robot and placed directly onto a completed Acrolux tray. Another robot tapes both sides of the tray in two positions to ensure a secure closed tray. It then continues to the label and inspection station, where a label is applied ready for inspection via a camera. Bad or incorrect reads will be rejected. Good products continue down the line. The next liquid handling piece of equipment is our Piwo Depal 5 Compact, a fully automated product handling depalletizer. This version is complete with two pallet stations, the first being for introduction and unloading of bulk products, and the second for stacking empty trays. Trays are picked and placed in a buffer station, awaiting next open position. Simultaneously, trays are being unloaded. A Pester-designed robot picks trays to introduce vials and syringes back into the line. This robot has innovative gripper technology and can reach speeds up to 6 cases or trays a minute, which translates to roughly 350 vials a minute. The vials are placed on a link chain conveyor and move on to the downstream equipment. They are controlled via a backup sensor for any downstream stoppages. Prior to unload, the trays are presented to an overhead camera to verify downed vials. Good trays are then placed in a turning device to unload onto the conveyor. On the right side, we see empty trays being flipped right side up and placed onto another buffer station. Once the allotted amount of trays are stacked, the robot picks and places them onto the awaiting pallet. At the verification camera station, the tray is checked for downed vials. When a downed vial is detected, the entire tray is rejected so that an operator may manually correct and refeed. When a tray is verified as good, it is placed in the turning device to empty vials from the tray. Then, they are flipped so that they are right side up again, ready for conveying to downstream equipment. A closer look shows how the empty trays are flipped right side up and placed at a buffer station until ready for placement onto the pallet at position 2. Here we see a reintroduction of a previously rejected tray, in which the operator manually corrected the downed vials. Prior to placement in the turning device, it is verified once more. Another liquids handling application we have is our vial tray packing solution. This machine utilizes our tray former prior to our Pack 250 Compact tray packer, which is used to place vials into the tray before stretch bundling. It is an excellent solution for heat-sensitive products as it uses special stretching technology and film to ensure a tight bundle without the use of heat. I truly appreciate those of you who have tuned in to learn more about Pester Pack's new liquid handling solutions. Please feel free to send any questions you may have via the chat feature.